Wisecut, the automatic video editor. Wisecut is an online video editing software that uses AI and voice recognition to create engaging videos quickly. With Wisecut, you can turn long-form videos into short, impactful clips with amazing audio tracks, subtitles, and auto-reframe. The software also offers auto-cut silences, auto-subtitles and translations, smart background audio tracks, automatic audio ducking, and storyboard-based video editing. Wisecut identifies long pauses and deletes them automatically, ensuring that cuts or jump cuts have a more organic flow while using one camera. Wisecut generates automatically generated subtitles and allows you to edit them quickly using the AI storyboard tool. Harness the power of AI to create engaging videos at lightning speed. Wisecut automatically picks an audio to fit your video. The audio edits itself, so you don't. Wisecut uses AI to balance your audio, automatically lowering the voice when someone is speaking and increasing it when speech is absent. Wisecut generates a transcribed storyboard based on your speech, where you can edit the video by moving around the text and scenes. No keyframes, no complex timelines, no video editing skills needed. Wisecut saves you time editing your videos. Users have reported saving 3 to 4 hours for editing. Take interest in your contacts and follow up to strengthen your connection. Wisecut is a powerful tool for creating engaging videos quickly. Try it for free and see how it can save you time and improve your video content. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. Wisecut.